Today, I'm going to show you a little peek of my craft room, some of the clean areas. I'm going to show you where I store all my handmade cards and also where I store my pre-cut cardstock and my envelopes. And then I'm going to give you a span of some of my craft room. And also, I want to see if you can spy the 2 Harry Potters I have in my craft room. This is a great organizational video, and also it's going to answer a question of what do I do with my cards, in case you're wondering. So let's get to it. So this is a little corner of my craft room, and right there on the bottom cube to the left is where I store all of my handmade cards, and I sort them by category. So let me grab it out of there and show you. So these are just laminated pieces of cardstock. I just cut them to size and laminated them. I'm using a fridge bins. It has a divider right down the middle, so I'm able to have 2 compartments there. And again, laminated piece of cardstock, just whatever color floats your boat. And then I just use my label maker to do categories. So I've got birthday, blank, congrats, friendship, tons of friendship, tons. Get over there, Christmas card. You're in the wrong spot. Okay, then get well. And then I have my husband and my 2 kids category. And then miscellaneous, thanks, get encouragement, thinking of you, I'm going too fast, miss you, thank you, and holiday. And that's where I put all of my Christmas. And then, I was going to frame those. Oh, yeah, I better get those out. I forgot about that. I made those and I was going to frame them, and making this video made me realize I never did it. Excellent, excellent, excellent. All right, and then I have the same French bins, and this is where I keep my pre-cut cardstock. It's pre-cut and scored to the left, and then envelopes to the right. And I buy my envelopes. I will link to my source down in the description for you. But everything else is just my cardstock that I cut and score myself. But envelopes I don't make myself. I'm too lazy. So my envelopes go in this little cubby. That's like I'm trying to do something so cool with my camera. And by the way, forgive the shakiness. I am filming while holding my iPhone. So then when I want to get a card, I just pull it out and flip through and grab my card. So that's this. This is a expedite from IKEA. It's called something else now, the Calyx, I think. And then while I'm here, let me just show you another little corner of my room. This is a pegboard, and my husband made those wooden shelves for me, and I love them. And then I've got some of my art over to the side. Here's a glimpse of my desk with a bunch of junk all over it. I can't believe I showed that. This is where I store my ink pads. This is a unit from Organize More, and there's my Harry Potter. And then here's another Harry Potter. Check it. I got Harry Potter everywhere, man. Gotta love Harry Potter. I do get asked all the time if I sell my cards, so I think I'm going to start selling my Christmas cards. And this is the website I found to do that. So this is Zyro, and the reason why I started looking into something like this is because I'm constantly asked, do you sell your cards? And my answer is always no. Why aren't I? Why aren't I? I have all these cards. Why don't I sell them? So I was looking into a specific website builder, and I came across Zyro. And I like it because it works on platforms like Amazon, Facebook, and Instagram, which are 3 main social media platforms that I use, and very easy to do. I actually went to the site for the first time and clicked on screen record. So what you're seeing here is me actually playing around for the first time with no training or anything. I'm just kind of figuring it out as I go. So I went through, they have a ton of designs in there. I just picked the first one that caught my eye, very clean and simple. And then you just go in and replace the text and the pictures and whatever with your own stuff. They do have a whole bunch of stock photos and things like that. But my goal for this particular site is selling my Christmas cards. So I can go in, I can upload the exact card I want to sell, I can have a description about it, and etc. I do have 30% off for you. If you click on the custom link below and enter the code, the discount code, you will get 30% off from Zyro. I did reach out, and they are sponsoring this video. So again, 30% off if you click the link and use the discount code, which is in the description box for you. So this is a very user-friendly website. Otherwise, I wouldn't be doing it. There's no code or anything that you need to learn how to do. If there was, you wouldn't be hearing about this from me. So I did want to create a background that was kind of snow inspired, since I'm marketing my Christmas card, so I did pull one of the stock photos for that. And once I'm happy with everything, I go ahead and publish the website, and that is it. Bada bing, bada boom, it is done. And I can change this as frequently as I want to reflect whatever it is I'm looking at selling. Again, I'm using it as a storefront, but you can use this as a regular website or blog or whatever as well. It's completely up to you. Don't forget, if you are interested to use that 30% discount code below in the description for you. You don't want to miss out on that opportunity, but I just wanted to take a second, or 2 minutes it looks like, just to tell you about this. I found it, I like it, I dig it, so of course I'm going to share it with you. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see. Blah, 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 blah. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.